Meaning of elicitation.
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 Elicitation. Elicitation refers to the process of extracting information from someone or something. It involves using specific techniques to encourage, prompt, or even manipulate responses in order to obtain the desired information. The result of elicitation can vary depending on the situation and the techniques used, but it often leads to a more complete understanding of a subject or situation. Elicitation is commonly used in fields such as intelligence gathering, market research, and criminal investigations to gather information that may be difficult or impossible to obtain through other means.